What's the meaning of Beryl the Peril? Beryl the Peril. Beryl the Peril.
Beryl the Peril. Beryl the Peril. Beryl the Peril is a British comic strip character created by David Law in 1953. Beryl is a mischievous young girl with a distinctive bob haircut who often causes trouble for her parents, teachers, and other authority figures. The name Beryl means bright green gemstone, which may suggest both her energetic nature and her tendency to be a thorn in others' sides. The word peril emphasizes the potential danger and chaos that Beryl creates around her. Despite her troublesome behavior, Beryl has remained a popular character in British comics for decades, inspiring spin-offs, merchandise, and even a TV series.